Big story we are breaking at this hour. There is no relief for the Luthra brothers. The Delhi court has dismissed the bail plea of the Luthras. The court has dismissed the anticipatory bail plea of both the accused. Luthras head straight to jail once they come back to the country. Shrishti is getting us more details. Shrishti, the court there refusing to grant any relief to the Luthra brothers in 2 days, 3 days. According to the Goa Chief Minister, whenever they really come back to the country, they will straight be going to jail.
Well, Sneha, clearly a big setback for the Luthra brothers who are presently in Thailand and also under detention from what we've learned. And this order was in a way the last hope to get any sort of protection from arrest as soon as they come back to the country. Now, the court, however, today has clearly dismissed their anticipatory bail, refusing to grant them any protection, even though both these brothers before the court had argued that they're willing to cooperate in the investigation, willing to participate in the investigation, and all that they were asking for was that they be protected till the time they come back to India and approach the jurisdictional court in Goa. Not just that, we also saw the Luthra brothers claim that the authorities in India are being extremely vindictive, and that is why they are apprehending not just arrest as soon as they land back, but also threat to life and their safety, not just their safety but also the safety of their family members. Goa police, on the other hand, had clearly opposed very strongly, in fact opposed the grant of any relief, stating that they're absconders, they fled the country, they're absconding from the country and they're evading the Indian law and evading arrest, which is why no form of relief should be granted to them. The Goa police also said that we're talking about two individuals here who run an entire operation, different restaurants at different places. The entire operation in Goa where the unfortunate tragedy took place was being run by them. When the incident happened, people died, people were injured. Instead of coming to aid of these people, instead of helping them, these two decided to book their tickets and go to Thailand instead of cooperating with the authorities. So what does that say about people who, as owners of that property, should have been in India, cooperated with the investigation like the other accused in this case are doing? What makes them so special? Now, the court has very clearly, in a way, agreed with what the prosecution said. Now, a detailed order copy is still awaited. So once the order copy is out, we'll know what are the exact observations which have been made by the court in this case, because if the court has made any remarks with regard to the unfortunate tragedy that took place, it will be very important, Sneha, because it will be the first court order, first statement from a court about the unfortunate tragedy that claimed the lives of around 25 people. So definitely a big setback for the Luthra brothers. As we know, our sources in Delhi have also told us that the authorities are still contemplating how to bring them back, whether they will be deported and sent to India and then be arrested, or whether the Goa police officials will go to Thailand and then bring them back to the country. This is something that the authorities will decide in a few days, in some time. So once that happens, we'll know for sure what exactly is the fate of these two brothers going to be. The only relief as of now that they can expect, if we talk about the legal remedies in this case, would be to maybe try and challenge this order before a higher court and expect.
Okay, it remains to be seen if that happens or not. But for the time being, no relief there for the Luthra brothers at this point in time. At least for the time being, their anticipatory bail plea stands rejected in court.